Campfire cooking pancakes in the garden. So this evening the girls are going to make some scotch pancakes. And for those of you that aren't aware of the difference between a crepe and a scotch pancake, the scotch pancakes are smaller in diameter and deeper and thicker and soft and fluffy and light, whereas the crepe or the thin pancake covers the bottom of the pan. So it's a slightly different mixture. So the girls are about to get cooking and making. Come and join us.
I'm good at sparks.
Time to light the rocket stove. Go for it, good luck.
Let go? No, it didn't. No? Did it? Yes. No, it did!
You can pop your flint and steel down. Now you've got the fire going, and then you can use two hands just to keep feeding it with sticks. Well done.
I cracked something.
Meanwhile, with Fire Chef getting the fire going, Food Chef, could you prepare the pancakes? Off you go. We've brought a little bin for the eggshell and carry on. What would you like to do?
Crack.
Would you like to crack it? Do you want to use the edge of here? That sounds like it's working. Well done. Beautiful.
Should I mix it right now?
Yes, you can start mixing it and we'll get your milk. Say that again for us, Emily. What are you up to?
I think we need a wee bit more milk now.
Brilliant. Lovely.
It's enough.
So this is a lovely, simple evening snack and pudding for us before bed. And Mum and Dad get fed too. This is the girls' first time feeding the parents. How exciting.
A wee bit more. This time I might use that.
Well done.
Oh.
You try it out. So, Lucy, Firemaster, would you like to think about the frying pan when you put it on the fire? How can we make it a bit more non-stick? What could we use as, it's called fat.
Butter.
Well done. Lift it off your knee though, don't rest it on your knee. That's an outdoor frying pan. And brilliantly, your knee didn't go black, which shows that I cleaned it after its last use. We're lucky.
That is your pajamas.
It is your pajamas, we're ready.
White. Yeah, white with black does not go well very much together.
That looks great. Try that. You can always add more. It's hard to take away. Good luck. Now pouring it into the pan. Hold it over one place. Brilliant.
I wonder how big
Perfect.
these are going to be.
That's it. They'll grow a little bit. I'm so proud of the girls. The first pancakes are nearly ready. So apparently the word is, as soon as the pancake starts to bubble, flip it over and then just give it another minute on the other side. I always seem to end up doing a little bit more than that, but have some fun, experiment. It's a gorgeous day in the world of pancakes.
Pancakes. Oh, I got the one I did in the funny bit.
The girls are doing brilliantly and I'm tasked with spreading the first one with Nutella for the chef.
That's Lucy's egg.
Emily, would you like to bring that to the chef or are you going to do something for you?
Chef.
Well done. Thank you.
Chef pancake.
Don't forget to give your frying pan a quick clean just after you've cooked with it on flames. It's the best time to get all the black soot off. I've got some long grass that I've pulled up from somewhere that doesn't mind it, and a very quick wipe gets almost all the soot off straight away. If you can find a bit of water and some soap, I'm going to carry on using this. Why don't we wrap it up a little bit, make it into a good scourer, and it's coming up a treat. I've just used a grass scourer to give my frying pan a clean. All the soot's off the back, and the frying pan's lovely and clean and non-stick again, and no sponges, genuine sponges or scourers were damaged in the making or cleaning of this pan. And there you have it, a fairly quick evening snack. Daddy gets a small but perfectly formed pancake, and the girls feast on number I do not know. Congratulations, thanks for cooking for me, girls. Well done.
It's fine. It's easy. It's fine.
Will you cook these for us sometime whilst we're out?
I'll definitely get it. Lucy's one tastes the best. Not her ones.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.